really special guest with me. This is my super close friend Leo. Can I just say I am so excited to have you here. Like, this is going to be an awesome video. We just filmed another video on Leo's channel, so if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out.
It was so great because we barely see each other anymore. Life has gotten too hectic.
Life is crazy, y'all. So we have a really interesting video for you today. What we are going to be doing is dressing Leo up as a drag queen. We're going to do full drag beats all over the wig, everything. Then we're going to rate our favorite drag queens, their top outfits. I don't know if you guys know of this, but both Leo and I are actually huge fashionistas. Both of us kind of like studied fashion and like we're huge. We love fashion.
We love it. So we decided to rate a few RuPaul's Drag Race runway looks.
Who doesn't love RuPaul?
So don't adjust your sets, because this extravaganza is being broadcast in HDS.
Okay, like honestly, if you haven't seen RuPaul's Drag Race, what are you doing with your lives?
So exciting.
Like, it's the best.
RuPaul is starting, a new show in the UK.
Yes.
Which is super exciting. The queens have been announced and we're gonna base my look basically on one of them, right?
Which one did you say was your favorite?
Blue hydrangea.
Hydrangea.
I think that's how you pronounce it.
I think so. I think I
but
saw
I
it.
might be wrong.
If you guys don't know Leo, or if you aren't following him yet, please do. I'm going to put the link to his Instagram right here somewhere.
Thank you.
But yes, please go and follow Leo, because you won't be sorry. Okay, so like let's just jump straight into this.
I don't know what to expect. I've tried drag twice before.
Yes.
I feel like this is more like a drag.
Yeah, we want to go all out today.
I think it's going to be fun.
Yes,
well,
it's going to be so fun. Guys, like I know there are so many drag artists out there and everyone does drag a different way.
There's no right way.
There's no right way.
And there's no wrong way either.
Yes.
Guys, these chips of the death of me. Can I tell you, there's actually a queen on the UK version. Her name is Bag of Chips.
No, really.
Bag of Chips.
Bag of Chips.
BFFs.
I'm just gonna go in immediately. Literally just gonna start gluing these brows down. Does that feel weird? Like really?
A little bit, but it's okay.
Leo, if you didn't know, he's the voice of an angel. And
I wouldn't say that, but thank you.
He has music, and he has music coming out.
Yes, I've got a song coming out with one of my friends. Hey Dre, he recently dropped his album, which is amazing. Check it out.
Yes.
We worked so hard on that, and I'm so proud of like everything he's done. Keep an eye out on my Instagram.
Yes.
In the next month or two,
it's coming,
gonna be worth
and
it.
it's gonna be exciting.
A savage, sassy song. I think the last time I tried it, we tried it it was about a gender studies project that I had for college. I took literally 3-4 face washes before I got everything off my face. But it was so
all
worth
I can
it.
say. Good luck when you want to take this off.
Imagine me driving back home like this.
Okay guys, we have a video showing you all of the
It'll be somewhere in the video, in the frame.
Somewhere in the frame here, we're gonna like show the video to you guys. We're gonna kind of give a little bit of
just share our thoughts.
Just something shady, you know.
No tea.
Let's have a look at this first. Who is this? Is this Mama RuPaul herself?
That's RuPaul. So let's forward a little bit. Brooklyn Heights. Can I just say, I fucking love Brooklyn Heights.
She's so good.
She's so good, and you know she's maybe coming to South African Pride this year.
What? Okay, I'm shook.
Ooh. Okay, I love her as well. Who's this again? Evie Oddly.
Like jellyfish.
I think it's Evie Oddly. I love this. Because this is very avant-garde though.
What do you think of this look? How would you rate that on a scale of 1 to 10?
I don't know, like I feel it looks a bit messy. It looks a little bit arts and crafts.
Yeah, I would say maybe
good.
like a little homemade, little DIY Halloween costume. But definitely cool, I think.
Cool.
Like, I like the jellyfish.
Out of the box.
Yeah.
I like this as well.
I really like
Can you
this.
imagine how difficult that must be to make?
Yeah, that's like Gatsby and lampshade mixed together.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Listen, literally everything Brooklyn did, I love.
Yeah, no, she's a queen. Like,
Canadian queen to the max, and
Yeah.
she's fucking brilliant. I really, really loved Evie and this look.
yeah, like fashion-wise.
Fashion-wise, I think this was so iconic because it's giving me clown vibes. Listen, tell me quickly. I also saw that you got a new tattoo.
Yes,
Is it this one?
it's this one. Wait right here, I'll be back in the
Oh,
morning.
that's beautiful. And it's
Thank
done
you.
so well. Oh my
Is
word.
it?
Well, it's like I've never seen script done so precisely.
Really?
Honestly.
Getting there.
Beautiful, yeah.
He has no idea what he looks like right now, so this is like super fun. Literally, we just want to get like full coverage here. Like literally the fullest coverage you can imagine.
So who's your favorite makeup artist?
My favorite makeup artist. Oh, see, like my favorite person in the makeup industry is without a doubt Jeffrey. Like, I just love Jeffrey.
Well, I mean, you went to go see him.
I love Jeffrey, but he's not really a makeup artist.
Well, makeup developer.
Yeah, he's more of like a makeup mogul, but I don't think he ever, like, he does his own makeup on camera sometimes, but for all the events he goes to, he gets a makeup artist. So it's like not really a makeup artist, so...
I'm just gonna wait and see. I'm so excited though. I've been so excited to do these videos with you this whole
Yeah, me too, like literally.
You know what, like, she always supports everything I do, which is so amazing. Look at another
Yes,
video
let's get
here.
another, like,
I
Plastic
love
tiara.
Plastic.
I love her too. You know, one of my friends on Instagram, Matthew.
Oh, I
he
saw
met-
you posted something.
Yeah,
about
he
that.
met Plastic Tiara. I died. But
No, she's great.
she's
great.
awesome. No.
18, so low, I still remember.
You know what I don't like about this dress?
I feel like,
It's too figure skater for me.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. And I'm not feeling the feathers. I'm not a fan of feathers. And there's so many ethical questions
Like questions
that's
about
being raised
feathers.
about feathers. So I'm just trying to stay away from animal feathers
Yeah.
in general.
Well, you think like Jeffrey
Jeffrey
stuff? Yeah. I feel like Jeffrey's makeup is perfect for drag queens.
Probably. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, his stuff is always so bright and powerful.
So colourful and like.
pigmented.
Okay, brows are looking arched and snatched. Okay.
This, I fucking love Angie, you guys.
Yeah.
I
like this.
Angie. I love this. At first, when I saw it, I was a bit like there's nothing too much to it because it's red and it's roses and well, I mean, there's a whole scale on it. I can't remember. I think the idea was star signs.
Okay.
And this is obviously
Like
the
Libra,
scale. Yeah.
Virgo.
I
What is
mean-
your star sign?
I'm Aries.
If only Leo was a Leo. That would have been so cool.
What are you?
Pisces.
Oh, I can
Yeah.
actually see that.
I can see you as an Aries. Do you feel like you identify as like a true Aries?
Yeah,
or like,
I do.
you?
Definitely.
So you're like 100% true Aries.
And you?
Yeah, I'm like the most Pisces bitch out there. Okay, we're gonna dip into Virgin. No, Cute. It's called Cute.
So
These
good.
names are so cute. We need a queen name for Leo. We need a queen name. What's a queen name?
You'll have to give me some thought on that.
Okay, he's gonna spend like the next while thinking
We'll,
about his
we'll
queen name.
reveal the name. At
By the end of this video, we have to have like a name.
I've wondered about that part of it.
Like really what you would call yourself.
Yeah, like what I would go for, but
Mm.
it's so difficult because I don't think there's anything. Maybe something that just came to mind now.
Just like something.
Which I thought about when we spoke about my eyebrows.
Yeah.
When I said bush. I love roses and I love red,
Yes.
so maybe rose bush.
Rosebush. The next winner of RuPaul's Drag Race right here. Rosebush. Wait, you need a second name as well. Because you know it's always like blue hydrangea.
Yeah,
like
but it's rose
bush.
bush. Rose bush.
Okay, it's Rosebush, guys.
One.
I love that.
So tell me a bit as well, what are you doing? What are you keeping yourself busy with other than work? What's
You
your
know,
hobby?
like, honestly, I think I'm gonna have to say I love gardening. Did you guys know
Really?
that? Yes, I love
Wow.
gardening. Like, I could spend the entire day
In the
like
garden.
just learning about flowers and like
Wow,
like
I would have
gardening.
never expected this.
I know, right? People don't like. Have you got like any like hidden loves that you don't like really share? Or?
I feel like my love and passion used to be design.
Yeah.
It still is, but it's become a job now.
You're looking really good. You have no idea what you look like right now, but those brows, every time I see you, I'm
Rose bush.
oh my
I
god.
can't even remember what we were talking about. Yes, man. Let me go closer.
18, solo. It feel like not that long ago.
Let's do another run, right? Okay, we were here by Vanjie with. I still love Vanjie. I wish
Yeah.
Vanjie won. This was the mask challenge.
Yeah.
I was not a fan of the mask challenge in general because everyone was hiding everything.
Exactly. No, not my favorite.
RuPaul, don't do this challenge again. It's
Nah,
boring.
yeah, it's boring.
This hectic again, idiotically hectic, but I feel like this is more
This is more
drag.
what they're
and
looking
more,
for.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is innovative, something new. Ooh, Brooklyn. This was also her mask challenge, I think, and I actually love this because you still see
Yes.
her. You still see the talent, everything. Not my favorite. I feel
No,
like
this
in
is
their
too
time.
like, yeah, like too
Boring.
Mariah Carey diva vibes.
Definitely,
Like,
definitely.
yeah,
Who's your favorite drag?
out of all of them,
Uh-huh.
Korean.
Really?
I just love her. I
I
also
can
love
relate to that.
Adore Delano.
Adore is awesome. I
She's-
think I can see you as an Adore person.
Oh, I love Adore. She's just so like kind of princess vibes, you know. And yours is your favorite.
I love, and I've always loved Alaska.
Yeah.
Tell me, have you ever watched Schitt's Creek?
No, I haven't.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
What is this about?
Make a plan today still. It's on Netflix.
Yes.
It's literally the most funny series that I've ever watched.
Like ever.
Ever. But I'm busy rewatching the whole 5 seasons for the 3rd time
Oh my god.
because it's just so
So good, like-
and so funny.
But like, what is it about? What is it centered around?
So it's centered around this family that used to be rich,
Yeah.
like celebrity rich,
Yeah.
and then they lost everything. But the father bought a town as a
Bought a
joke,
town.
a small town for one of his children's birthday as a joke, and
Yeah.
the town is called Schitt's Creek. So after they lost everything, the only asset they got to keep is this town called Schitt's
Schitt's
Creek. So they had to move there.
18.
Every time I look at you, I'm just like, oh, rose bush. Like, this is hilarious. Yes. Okay. Sorry, just
Time
like,
to edit as well.
just like go like this.
But you might find me.
You look so good.
So gorgeous.
We're gonna put a wig on now.
Some nights I stay.
Hi guys, it's Rose Bush. What do you think? I think
You look
Megan
beautiful.
did a great job. Well, I haven't seen myself yet, so
He has no. She. Sorry.
I feel like I'm a they.
A they right
Right
now.
They.
Lipstick all over your teeth.
Wait, what do? You do?
Yeah. That's what I do. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, Rosebush? Ta-da!
Oh my god. What the fuck? Hi.
Honestly, like, I'm living.
This is so good.
I'm
this
living.
wig though. Come back.
Oh my gosh, like, I had so much fun doing this. Like,
It was a minute.
it was a minute. It took
took
a minute. Yeah.
It took a minute. I feel like I'm embracing my inner Jeffrey right now. Thank you so
100%.
much, Megan. I
Aw,
was
thank
so,
you.
it's so exciting, these type of creative things
Oh,
with
no,
someone
it really
else.
is, hey. You need to go and watch our other video on Leo's channel.
Yes.
Because,
Check it out.
yeah.
It's a daily routine. male, female.
Yeah, just like how we get ready in the morning.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think you guys will really enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks guys. Bye. See you on the
Bye.
next video.